Meaning of disaster area.
Disaster area.
Disaster area.
Disaster area.
Disaster area. The term disaster area refers to a geographical location that has been severely affected by a natural or man-made disaster, such as a flood, earthquake, hurricane, or industrial accident. When an area is declared a disaster area, it means that the extent of damage and disruption caused by the disaster is so severe that the local resources are overwhelmed and external aid is necessary. The designation allows governments to access emergency funding and direct resources to address the immediate needs of affected residents and businesses, including search and rescue operations, medical assistance, and shelter provisions.